Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to open an app using the double tap and pressing the S Pen button on your S Pen. So if you want to open up an app using your S Pen, then let me show you how to do this. So to do this, you want to go ahead and first open up the Galaxy Store, search for Galaxy Store. So this is the app you need. Here you need to go ahead and search for this app called Good Lock. Go ahead and download this app. Once downloaded, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you're looking for this app called Pentastic. Go ahead and download this app. Now you're going to go ahead and scroll down and you can go ahead and turn on this double tap shortcut. So you can choose what happens when you hold down the pen button and double tapping the screen. So go ahead and tap on this. As you can see, I've turned it on and I've set it as a camera assistant app. However, you can go ahead and choose all of these different options. You can also choose an app. Let's just say, for example, I want to go ahead and turn on the magnifying tool when I do this. So when I hold this S Pen and I double tap on screen, now I can go ahead and magnify wherever I point my screen. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on the double tap feature. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. On your S Pen, on your Samsung S25 Ultra.